I'm noticing an odd phenomena come up in my coaching calls and other conversations with people. It's something that I struggle with, yet I didn't know so many can relate to. It's this feeling that every decision we make needs to be optimized to get the most out of it. When faced with a choice, we weigh the pros and cons and agonize over what we should do. An example for me is scheduling. When someone asks, "What time works for you?" I go through my week and imagining every possible scenario. I project what I will feel like each hour of the day and when the meeting might work best. Ordering at a restaurant is another one. If I'm spending money, I want to get the most out of it and get the perfect meal, the one that just really hits the spot. Yet, with this mental agony, are we really getting the most out of it? Instead of killing ourselves, what if we just pick the first thing in alphabetical order? We might actually get more out of it that way. Making decisions is hard enough. It's especially tough when we drain our vital energy trying to come up with the perfect choice. We spend so much time trying to make the right decision that we don't have the energy to give to something better. It's helpful to think of a distinction Seth Godin makes. Is it a decision or a choice? You might be like, Lou, aren't they the same? He argues that a choice doesn't have significant consequences, i.e., what to wear, eat, or what store to buy organic bananas from. If you're in America, it's Trader Joe's, obviously. Not much of your day changes whether you wear a brown or blue shirt. This is why Mark Zuckerberg is famous for wearing the same thing every day. Taking time to make choices robs us of energy that's better suited to make decisions. A decision has lasting consequences. For example, where to live, who to marry, or what job to take. These demand greater attention from us, and it would do us good to use our energy there. Being conscious of whether it's a choice or a decision can help us wield our energy into more important matters. Now, about those decisions. If you struggle with decisions, you probably struggle with perfectionism. If you're a perfectionist, you beat yourself up when a decision doesn't live up to your high standards. I find it helpful to esteem myself more for the act of making a decision rather than making the right decision. As the saying goes, done is better than perfect. Place making a decision at a higher level than making the right one. Decisions give us feedback. We then learn from the results and we use that information to make a better decision, and so on and so forth. If we're in limbo, unsure of what to do, then we're just wasting time. If you need help on making a decision, I actually have a daily insight that is titled Making Better Decisions. So if you go to that daily insight tab and search that up or find my page, you might be able to find it from there as well. An affirmation to think about as you move through the day. Life moves for me when I make decisions. Life moves for me when I make decisions. I hope this was helpful for you. As always, let me know what you think in the comments. If you're on Insight Timer and you use circles, I'd love for you to join mine. Just search Lose Circle, get a chance to connect with others in this beautiful community. As always, sending you so much love and support. Namaste.